Now this illustration deals with laundry areas in accordance with 210.8A10. Now once again, we're kind of really highlighting in the boxed in information to the left top side of the illustration the areas that we showed in figure figure 10-22. Now notice bathrooms is an area 210.A1, garages, accessory buildings 210.8A2, outdoors 210.8A3, etc. But notice we list all those locations, but I'd like to call your attention to one now that's important, and that's indoor damp areas and wet locations in accordance with 210.8A11. Now, those could be areas, according to the authority having jurisdiction, where you have a room where you come in from the rain and the snow and wet and areas like that with boots, and you were taking them off and you were putting everything in an area that could be considered a wet or damp area, then GFCI protection would be required for those receptacles. And notice washer, dryer now, GFCI protection is required. And it would be required for single phase 120 or 240 volt receptacles. Now, calling out this laundry area in more detail, notice you couldn't tap off of that GFCI protected receptacle for that washing machine, say, or a gas dryer, and supply the area where you switch the light, as you see. But you could tap off of it and provide protection for a receptacle, as you see, for a built-in area where it would recess and you could fold it down, have an ironing board, a place to plug your iron and everything. Then that's considered laundry area. So, we'd look at 210.50 along with 210.8A10, and this rule is very easy applied. Then notice the switch that switches the light in the laundry room should be 6 foot 7 inches or less to the handle in the on position in accordance with 404.8A that you see in the illustration. Then the lighting outlet meets the rules of 210.70A. Now our figure 10-31B is illustrating these 120 volt single phase receptacles that are installed in laundry areas, what they can supply and what they are prohibited to supply, such as the lighting outlet. In figure 10-31B is illustrating the laundry room with receptacles requiring GFCI protection in accordance with NEC 210.8A10 as in Apple.